funny. Sometimes you Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. It's Irene. Good evening, USA. To all people out there, good evening guys. And also in the Philippines, to all over the world, to all my kababayans, stay safe. Okay, what I prepared today, guys. Look my dinner today. Look how is it beautiful. This is antipasto salad, guys. This is the last day of our salad mukbang. We called antipasto salad. So last day, guys. So let's start eating and let's pray first. Lord, thank you for the blessings. Okay. Let's start. Hopefully, the seven types or kinds of salad that I show in my channel, you can choose one, which one you like. I'm sure that you can find the salad that you like with the one that I show you, 7 kinds of salad. What is in here in the antipasto salad? Look. Mixed lettuce, red onions and tomatoes, Parmesan cheese, sliced ham, sliced salami, mozzarella cheese on top, and bacon bits. Guys, the ham. Oh my God.
Actually, you're probably wanting to get off dinner because you probably need to go.
It's so good, look.
So, I'll swing by after work because well, I'm sure you don't want to talk to me, so that's fine. Better people to talk to.
First time I came here in America, this is the first salad that I taste. And I like it. And also the dressing is balsamic, as usual. I put on side, but if you don't like balsamic, you can choose your own dressing. We have ranch, we have blue cheese, Caesar, Italian, honey mustard, oil and vinegar, blue cheese, and balsamic. It's up to you if you want dressing on side or we toast it. Just let us know. It's good combination, the lettuce with the meat. So for sure guys, you can find one salad that you like it. If you grab a little bit salad and it's coming with the bacon, it's so good. I just want to thank you to all the people who subscribe to my channel and who share my videos. Thank you so much, guys. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. And also, I just want to thank you also my friend in Bakersfield, California, MJ, belated happy birthday. I love you guys. And also, Christine and my Crossway family, thank you so much. It's a great pleasure that I meet you all there. You have all good hearts. Thank you. Thank you for all the prayers when I need it when my son got hospital and I'm asking a prayer. Thank you so much. And also to all the customer of Bali Italian Pizza, thank you so much on the behalf of my husband. Thank you so much. We appreciate to all the customer that keep taking orders for takeout and delivery. Thank you so much, guys. We appreciate your business. And also we have we're open Monday to Sunday, 11 to 9. Takeout and delivery. To all people not subscribed to my channel yet, please click the red buttons and subscribe. It's good. To all my kababayans here in Yakima, please try our food here in Bali Italian Pizza. Please come visit here at 2304 South 1st Street, Yakima, Washington. Or you can call up at 509-571-1599. We do takeout and delivery, guys. And we do some catering also. The one that I eat all here is the salad. The 7 salad is I try rather. But pasta no, and also pizza. I never try all that. Salami, guys. This is salami. Regards to my family in the Philippines, my family, relatives, and friends, All my boss over there. May regards po. All my teachers, classmates. Stay safe. It's so good. To all my kababayans here in Yakima, in USA, please subscribe my channel, Irene Tin. It's good. And the 7 salad that I show it in my channel, for sure you can find at one that you will like it. So try it. Visit us at the restaurant Bali Italian Pizza and Pasta. Thank you guys for watching to my channel. See you next time for my next video. See you tomorrow. We start appetizer tomorrow, guys. Thank you. Have a great night to all people. Stay safe. Bye.